Hello class 5th student, it's a part 2 chapter 2 from your moral science book. Here we read the story of Jessica. Now start. Jessica admits that earlier she was quite shy when she was with other children and adults. Means she here Jessica told her story here. Okay, Jessica told her story here. So Jessica admits this, that Jessica tell that in the earlier she was quite shy. She was quite shy. Means she was feeling some fear to talk others. Okay. When she was with the other children and the adults, means she was feeling some fear to talk them. I used to feel shy about being different. Why she feeling shy? That she is different. In which meaning? She is different as she don't have arms. Okay. I remember the first time I was on a stage. She recalled the first time when she was on the stage. It was my very first dance presentation. It was her first dance presentation. I was so scared. She was very fearful. Okay, she was very fearful that I asked my dance teacher to put me in the back row. She is feeling fear and she told her dance teacher that she put her in the back row, but dance teacher says that there was no back row. There is no back row. She has to dance in the front only. Fortunately means by fortune, or you can say by the luck. Okay, by luck, after the show the audience clapped and cheered for her. Means audience loved her performance and they was cheered. I could not wait to go out for a second time and perform. I danced for 12 years after that, she said. And she said that I could not wait to go out. Means she didn't wait for go out for a second time and perform. Means she regular practice and perform up to the age of 12 years. Jessica credits her parents for being her role model. Jessica said that their parents are role model for her and pillar of support. Means they are very supportive to Jessica. My mother is my role model and always tell me that I can do anything I have set my mind to. Means Jessica's mother motivate her, inspire him that she can do anything. And after that Jessica prepare his mind for doing anything. My dad never once shed a tear when I was born because he did not see me as a victim. And Jessica also told this thing that her father never weeping or never shed a tear. एक भी आंसू नहीं गिराए हम. Why? Because they think that Jessica is not a victim. Victim means any trouble. Means she thought Jessica is not a trouble to them. He thought that Jessica is not a trouble to them. It is hard being a parent to a disabled child. Means a child which is not able to perform his task by itself. It is very hard to parenting him. He was my rock. Means he was my strength. Who says? Jessica says for her father that her father was her strength during the difficult times, and that has shaped me into the person I am today, she said. And Jessica also said this thing that her father strengthened him during the difficult time and gave a shape to her. And give a shape to her that the Jessica today. Means at today, what is Jessica? We read this thing in the last of the chapter. But now Jessica is a successful person and its credit goes to her father. She said this thing that her father strengthened her during the difficult time and shaped her. She actively participated in taekwondo, swimming, and even learned how to drive. When she first learned to drive a car, she was encouraged to use a special modification. Means as she is disabled, so when he trying to first time for drive the car, so she encouraged by using some special modification which can help her to drive easily. However, after she had her car modified, she decided to remove all the modification. Means some facilities provided to her car, but she removed them. She now hold an unrestricted driver's license. Now she having a driving license. Jessica said that it is like riding a bike. She said that it's like a driver bike. I slouch back. Slouch back means keeping straight. Keeping your back straight. She keep her back straight in the driver's seat and control everything including the steering wheel using her feet. Using her feet, she control all the things. At the age of 14, means when she was 14, Jessica earned his first black belt in the taekwondo and received a second one after she rejoined the American Taekwondo Association later in the college. Means first black belt she gained at the age of 14 in Taekwondo, and second she received after she rejoined the American Taekwondo Association in the college. After high school, Jessica attended college at the University of Arizona, earning a bachelor degree in psychology. Means after high school, she taking admission in the college and getting a bachelor degree in psychology. Today she cooks, eat, wash dishes using the computer, curl her own hair also, and write and types with her feet. Now she able to do all the tasks by her feet. Jessica believes that by combining creativity, persistence, and fearlessness, nothing is impossible. Her never say die spirit override what she may lack physically. Means Jessica trusts in that by combining creativity, persistence, means by together creativity means do the task in a different manner, do the task with a different manner. Persistence means stubborn, determined. Hearty means a strong determination that you can do it. And fearlessness, without the fear, nothing is impossible. Everything could be possible. Her never say die means being a disabled child, she never say that I don't want to live. Spirit overrides that she may lack physically. Means it is a spirit, it is a motivation over this that she may lack physically. She forget this thing that she is disabled. She can do anything. She thought this thing. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.